Good afternoon, everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss new topic maxima and minima. Now there are some important definitions. As first, chapter name maxima and minima or extreme value. Okay, in which first definition is stationary point. Stationary point. Such point at which we are determined the maximum or minimum value or minimum value of the function is said to be stationary point. Stationary point. Okay. We find out the value of stationary point by putting del f upon del x is equal to 0, comma del f upon del y is equal to 0 in given problem. Now second definition, saddle point. Such point at which neither function maximum nor minimum is said to be saddle point. Okay. Now what is the criteria that function will maximum or minima? Now some condition are here. Condition for z equal to fxy to be maximum or minimum. Condition for z is equal to fxy to be maximum or minimum. Now first condition, if rt minus s square greater than 0, comma r is greater than 0, then function attains minimum value. Okay. Now second condition, if rt minus s square greater than 0 but r is negative, then function attains maximum value. Okay. Three condition. If rt minus s square lesser than 0, neither function maximum nor minimum. Okay. We have r equal to del 2f upon del x2, comma t is equal to del 2f upon del y2, and s is equal to del 2f del x del y or del 2f upon del y del x. Now second condition, when function will be in three variable, that is condition for u equal f x y z to be maximum or minimum, there are three variables included in function. Then what is the condition that function have maximum or minimum value? In this case, first we put del u upon del x is equal to 0, del u upon del y is equal to 0, del u upon del z is equal to 0. We get stationary point. Stationary points. Okay. Capital A is equal to del 2u upon del x2. Capital B is equal to del 2u upon del y2. Capital C is equal to del 2u upon del z2. Capital F equal del 2u del y del z. Capital G is equal to del 2u del z del x, or capital H is equal to del 2u del x del y. Okay. Now D1 is equal to A, H, H, B, and D2 is equal to indeterminate A, H, G, H, G, B, F, F, C. That is, first we determine capital A, capital B, capital C, capital F, capital G, capital H, and after this we calculate D1 by the determinant of 2 by 2 AHB, HB, and value of D2 by the determinant of 3 by 3 AHB, HBF, GFC. After this, first condition, if capital A is greater than 0, comma capital D1 greater than 0, comma capital D2 greater than 0, then U will be minimum. u will be minimum. Now condition second, if capital A is negative, capital D1 is greater than 0, but capital D2 is negative, then U will be maximum. Okay, student? But when both above conditions are not satisfied of the function, then function have neither maximum nor minimum value. That is, when both above conditions are not satisfied, we can say neither function neither maximum nor minimum. Okay, student? This is the fundamental of maxima and minima. Okay? Now, there are some problems here solved. Now, problem number first. Find the extreme value of the function x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. Okay? Answer, let capital F equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. Now partial differential with respect to x denoted by fx equal to 3x square minus 3ay. Now del f upon del y is equal to 3y square minus 3ax. For stationary point, del f upon del x is equal to 0, del f upon del y is equal to 0. Now 3x square minus 3ay is equal to 0, comma 3y square minus 3ax is equal to 0. That is x square is equal to ay and y square is equal to ax, where y is equal to x square upon a. Now putting here value of y square, x square upon a whole square equal to ax, that is x to the power 4 minus a to the power 3 x is equal to 0, that is x common, x cube minus a cube is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 0 or x cube minus a cube equal to 0. Now factorize x minus a, x square plus ax equal to 0, that is x is equal to a, or x square plus ax plus a square, this is equal to 0. This is a quadratic form. There is no solution, then we apply Sridharacharya formula. X is equal to minus kb plus minus under root b square minus 4 into a into c upon 2 into a. This is equal to minus a plus minus I under root 3 a upon 2. This is equal to imaginary. Okay, student. There are two roots are imaginary, therefore it will be neglected. Now here x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. There are two real values of x. Now here y is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0, that is point 0 comma 0. Now x is equal to a, then y is equal to a square upon a. This is equal to a point a comma a. Therefore there are two stationary point 0 0 and a. Now to discuss the maximum and minimum value of the function. Now differentiate again 2 times with respect to x of f, that is r is equal to f x is equal to 6x, that is t is equal to f y 6y, and s is equal to f x y, this is equal to minus 3. Now at point 0 comma 0 and at point a comma a, there are two stationary points. Now to check both points at 0 0, now r is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, but s is equal to minus 3. Now rt minus s square is equal to 0 into 0 minus 3a square, this is equal to minus 9a square, always lesser than 0. Therefore in this case function is neither function maximum nor minimum. That is, stationary point 0 0 is a saddle point. Point 0 0, that is origin point, is a saddle point. Now to check at stationary point 0 0, r is equal to 6a, t is equal to 6a, s equal to minus k 3a. If a is greater than 0, in this case rt minus s square, this is equal to 36a square minus 3a whole square, this is equal to 36a square minus 9a square, this is equal to 27a square, always greater than 0. And a is equal to 6a, always greater than 0, imply f will be minimum. The minimum value of the function, putting the value of a in given function, that is a cube minus 3 into a, this is equal to minus a cube. This is the minimum value of the function. But a is negative, then rt minus s square is equal to 27a square, always greater than 0, but r is equal to 6a, always less than 0. That is, f will be maximum. The f makes the value of maximum of the function where a is negative, putting the a in equation, given equation, minus a cube plus 3a into a, this is equal to a cube. This is the maximum value of the function. Okay, student, this is the complete solution. Now next problem. Problem number 2. Examine extreme value x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. Okay, student. Let f equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. Now partial differential with respect to x denoted by fx, 2x plus 6. Similarly, partial differential with respect to y, 2y. For stationary point, we get fx equal to 0, comma fy is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 6 is equal to 0, comma 2y is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 0. Now point minus 3 comma 0 is a stationary point. This is a stationary point. Now differentiate again with respect to x, that is r, f x x, this will be 2. Similarly t, f y y, this is equal to 2. Now s, f x y, this is equal to 0. Okay, student. Now rt minus s square, this is equal to 2 into 2 minus 0 square, this is equal to 4 always greater than 0, and r is equal to 2 always greater than 0. Therefore f will be minimum. The minimum value of function f minimum, putting the value of point in given equation, minus 3 square plus 0 square plus 6 into minus 3 plus 12, this is equal to 9, minus 18 plus 12, this is equal to 3. Okay, student, this is the complete solution.